राज्यात रस्त्याची जाल्ली चाळण आता नवी दाद उरली ना। पावसाक लागून रस्त्यार चिखल जाला, येरादारीकरप्यांक भोव त्रास सोसचे पडटा। अपघातात लेगीत भर जावपाचो भय आसा। कुडतरी हाची देख पळोवपाक मेळ्ळी। कुडतरच्या मॉडेल हायस्कुला लागसर रस्त्याचो सत्यानाश जाल्लो पळोवपाक मेळ्ळो। नागरिकांनी रस्त्याच्या प्रश्नाचेर भर दिलो। पावस सुरू जातकच खणून दवरिल्ले रस्ते दुरुस्त करपाक जाय। या समस्येक लागून थळाव्यांक अडचणींक तोंड दिवचे पडटा। देखून बेगोबेग रस्तो दुरुस्ती करपाची मागणी नेट धरता। पळयात
इतलो टाइम आसलो आज आमगेलो मॉन्सून इज ऑलरेडी सेट इन, यू कैन से ऑलमोस्ट सेट इन गोवा। आणि हे आता हे टायमार बेगीन सोलिंग करून लोक पण ट्रॅफिक पण वयता, तांकां एक बरी कसलो मिशॅप जायना सो रावपाक, तेणें तें करपा जाय आसलें, बट कांयच तेजेर केलें ना, उपाय ना। सो एटलीस्ट थ्रू योर मीडियम I want to request first of all the electricity department. तेणी हे हेपाजड पण काम केलां, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर देखून ते सारखे केसो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ते हांव जाणा। हांवें तेका 2 पाटी डिपार्टमेंटा फोटो बी काडले, भुरग्यांक बायलांक तेणी काम केलें, धाकटे भुरग्यांक। सो अगेन एंड अगेन दे डू दिस कायंड ऑफ मेस, आणि फायनली when this road is going to be done properly.
This is Gogol where I am staying. The whole area is dug up. It's right in the middle of the monsoon, or at the onset of monsoon. The roads have been dug up and they have been left just like that. We got to know it is for the gas pipeline, and they have laid this pipeline all over Gogol. At least, I mean, I don't know about the rest of the Madgaon area, but Gogol where I am staying, I am commuting every day. I am coming, like going out of my house. It has become a pain. With this road, driving is a nightmare. I mean, walking is a problem. I have to go to drop my son to school. The area near his school is dug up. I don't know, like, what is the idea behind troubling all the people staying here with this doing right in the middle of the onset of monsoon.
So what is your request?
Request is, I mean, we are tax-paying citizens. You give us all, like, tax-wise we are given, like, this is our bracket, you pay this. If you don't pay taxes, we are penalized.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली।